He's sketching a model of St. Philip's Church. He'd like to someday build a model, you see. John, my boy, this is Mrs. Kendall. She'd like very much to make your acquaintance.
Good morning, Mr. Merrick.
I have a few things to attend to. I'll be back soon.
I plan so many things to say to you. I forgot them. You were so beautiful.
How charming, Mr. Merrick.
Well, really, that is what I planned to say. But I forgot what I was going to say. I couldn't think of anything.
Real charm is always planned, don't you think?
Well, I do not know why I look this way, Miss Kendall. My mother was so beautiful. She was knocked over by an elephant at the circus when she was pregnant. Something must have happened. Don't you think so?
It may well have.
It may well have. But sometimes I think that my head is so big because it's so full of dreams. Because it is. Do you know what happens to dreams when they cannot get out?
No. What?
Me either. But something must. So, you are a famous actress.
I'm not unknown.
Then you have to display yourself to make a living, like I do.
That is not myself, Mr. Merrick. That is an illusion. This is myself.
This is myself, too.
Frederick says you like to read. So books?
Ah, I am reading Romeo and Juliet now.
Oh, Juliet. What a love story. I love love stories.
Love stories are my favorite as well. If I was Romeo, guess what?
What?
I would not have held the mirror to her breath.
You mean the scene where Juliet is dead and he holds the mirror to her breath and sees...
Nothing. Now, how does it feel when Romeo kills himself just because he sees nothing?
Well, my experience has been with a particular actor, and I will not name names, that while I am lying there, dead, and he is lamenting. And I think if this ham does not get off his ham hock of his life too sweet, then I will scream, jump off the tomb, and stab the dagger into his scene-stealing heart. Romeos are so independable.
Because Romeo does not care for Juliet.
Not care.
Does he check her pulse? Does he get a doctor? Does he make sure? No. He kills himself. The illusion fools him because he does not care for her. He only cares about himself. If I'd have been Romeo, we would have got away.
Then there would be no play, Mr. Merrick.
If he did not love her, why should there be a play? Looking into a mirror and seeing nothing is not love. It was all an illusion. And when the illusion ended, he had to kill himself.
Why, that is extraordinary.
Before I spoke with people, I didn't think all these things because there was no one bothered to think them for. But now, words just come out of my mouth that are true.
You're famous, John. We're in the papers. Look. They've written up my report to the Pathological Society. It's a kind of apotheosis for you.
Frederick, I think Mr. Merrick would benefit from even more company than you provide. In fact, by being acquainted with the best, and he with them, I shall make it my task, if you permit. And what pleases me is his task, I think.